True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah man, I'm in Lacovia. Yeah man, you know Lacovia, you have the old bridge and the new bridge. I'm very close to that area. So I giving a tour. Most of them places are from Lacovia to Mountainside. The road clear. I think the Holland Bamboo area also clear also too. But I show you where I go on. So if you remember them building here still up and running. Same way. So I'm taking you all to the bridge area. You know, a lot of people use this bridge. So I give you an understanding what take place in a St. Elizabeth in the Lacovia area. So sometimes we have to use some road to reach to our destination. So this bridge is cleared, you don't really block up or anything. So you can cross some place if you don't want to go to the slip area. I don't really know how in the slip area stay, because you know in the slip area, you know, when you come on to water, a lot of roads flood out when you come on to the slip area. So this is one part where you can walk on and tour. You may have some patrol and things same way, but you can go through. You can see the vehicle I go through same way. So this is the old bridge. One you can drive on and take you to the slip area. Also to Beryl Savannah Mountainside and Junction. So my location is on the main road, the Lacovia main road. We can take you to Santa Cruz, Black River, Holland Bamboo, Middlesex, them place there. So yeah man, so the bridge in a block up and running same way, you know. Yeah man, so the bridge is up and running. Only some them rail are supposed to tear off from a long time. So this is the Lacovia area. As you see, the Lacovia post office up and running same way. We are supposed to know the location right now. So we are Lacovia at the Tombstone. Yeah man. Day after the hurricane. So thank you guys for watching the channel. Just giving an update for St. Elizabeth. So if you're traveling from Santa Cruz to Black River, the road is clear, and from Lacovia to Beryl Savannah, road is also clear, so anybody that come from airport or want to reach the airport will have an understanding how to get to the airport. I don't know about in the hills in the Newmarket area, but I know the main road to the Montego Bay Sangsters International Airport, you can drive on the main road like White House, go to Ferris, go them place there. So yeah man, so everybody that travel will have an understanding where to travel. So big up on yourself everyone I watch from here and abroad. One love, one heart, true Jamaican vibes. Fire Reid. True Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah man, everybody knows say St. Elizabeth get a hit by the hurricane. So this is a view in the Lacovia area. Yeah man, you can see my location. My location is right at the Tombstone area. That is the Tombstone in the road. So you have an idea which side you're watching from. So I'm going towards the Holland Bamboo area. So this is what Lacovia look like. Everybody will see where I go and get a view of them place. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Yeah man, subscribe and like to the channel. So I'm in the Kingman area. Yeah man, everybody's supposed to know the Kingman restaurant. So I'm recording the opposite side from Kingman restaurant going to Holland Bamboo area. So the swag go on with people. This is what Lacovia look like. You see where the palm tree mango. You see every stamp it pass out here so. No mango no left palm tree out here so no have an understanding what go on at Lacovia. See few trees tear down like breadfruit tree, apple tree, mango tree. But some areas on the south side, St. Elizabeth, devastation out there man. People who fly gone all about over the place. So you see a lot of people traveling from back and forth in this area. So the road kind of clear. People can move freely to their location, also their destination. That is the Lacovia Sports Center. everybody wants to see them area, but I taking the time out, showing a little bit what I go and same way. So far as I can see, like a lot of wind never come in this area. Don't see where I see any rooftop down like on the main. Can't talk for other part, but I'm on the main road, the Lacovia main road, heading towards Holland Bamboo. Yeah man, so you can leave in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. If you know this area, this is a side view in the Lacovia area, heading towards Holland Bamboo. So you know you have close by neighborhood in this area like Coffee Spen. I don't see where, I'm driving from the Tombstone area, I don't see where one utility pole down, as we call it, light pole. I don't see any fall in this area like that. So big up all of the Lacovia massive. When you see what I go on the main road there, give thanks to Fire Reid. Can show the area. I know see a lot of people watching from the UK, Canada, Antigua, Bahamas, Grenada. Big up yourself, Marcia. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. One love and one heart. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.